So today I want to show you guys my coolest, biggest, and basically the best builds and creations that I've done on Melon Sandbox. So yeah, this isn't gonna be your standard, like, typical Melon Sandbox video on my channel. This isn't gonna be like a mod review video or any sort of thing, something even similar to that. It's not gonna be anything like that. It's gonna be something completely different and new for the channel. It's gonna be pretty different, and basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys basically a time lapse of me building a bunch of the coolest builds that I have done. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this little thing that I've been kind of, thinking about doing. This is just a video that I've just been thinking about doing for a little bit now, and it's now I can finally do it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you do subscribe to the channel if you're brand new. Leave a like on the video if you enjoy my videos and stuff. And also, leave your top comments, because I love reading your guys' comments. Like, after I upload the video, I give you guys like an hour or even day, like an entire day, to leave your top comments, and I just read them, I interact with them, I respond to them and stuff. I read every single one, and I don't get as many comments as, big YouTubers do. I feel like that was obvious enough, but yeah, I don't get as many comments as big YouTubers do. Well, I get quite a lot of comments for a channel as small as mine, so it's not going to be too hard to read all of them. So yeah, make sure you guys do leave your top comments, not just because I love reading them, but also because I'm also going to leave I'm going to have two comments from my subscribers put right here on the screen. You should be seeing them right now on your screen. So yeah, if you guys want to be in a video, if you guys want your comments shown in a video, just leave your top comment, and I'll be picking my favorites and putting them on the next video. So if you guys want your comment put on, just, if you guys want to see your own comment on my videos, yeah, skedaddle. Just go to the comment section, type your best comment right now before you continue watching the video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Here's the first build.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright, and that was it for today. If you enjoyed the video, consider leaving a like, subscribe to the channel if you're brand new and you don't want to miss on any other uploads, because I have some awesome videos planned. So yeah, subscribe. Also, like I said in the intro, comment down below like what I should do next on the channel. Also comment down below your top comment, because I love reading those, and you might even, have them appear in one of my videos. So yeah, that was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, eat your pizza, y'all.